Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Let's go ahead and take a quick walk around. You can see on this vessel we have a main white diamond color on the fencing with the really pretty red accent color going across the top. Adds a really awesome look to this boat. Very unique. All right, starting back here. As you can see, we have a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado on this boat, which is color matched to the white diamond fencing. Adds a really awesome look and provides a ton amount of power. You can use this for tubing, cruising down the lake. It's a super quiet motor, yet has a ton of power. It comes included with a 3-blade stainless steel prop, and this is optimized for this motor for the highest performance possible. So I want you guys to check out this ladder that we have on this Harris. It's a real wide grip, very comfortable and very easy to board on and off. Now, you can notice it has 4 steps. This provides just a lot easier boarding and getting on and off the boat. I mean, you don't have to put your leg up as high when you're in the water, and it's just a real comfortable step. And it's really nice that at the top here, we actually have a dual step. Just makes it a little easier for you to find that step when you're actually going down into the water. But it's a real easy operation. This is a telescoping ladder, and it folds up and locks into place. Now let's go ahead and take a walk around on the inside. So starting here at the back, we have an extended platform on here. Now, what this provides, it provides a whole lot more legroom for anybody that is sitting on this back platform. It moves the ski bar back so that you just have a whole lot more walking room, and it's just a whole lot more spacious. Now, with this lounger setup, you gain this really big bench seat with an included cooler off to the side. So this provides a ton of storage, such as the cover in this instance, and it just provides a whole lot of options for storage, because that is something that is key in pontoon boats. Now I want you to check out this really nice lounger. So you can have this forward or aft facing for whatever you guys are doing on the lake, whether you need to accommodate a lot of people on the boat or you just kind of want to sit back and relax. And getting into that sit back and relaxing, you notice over here off to the port side, we have a JL audio receiver and USB and powered inputs. So if you ever have to fill up a tube, if you have to charge a phone, it's all right there, easily accessible. All right, let's go ahead and take a walk on the inside. So I want you to notice how much storage room this boat has. Ton of room under every single seat, every compartment. You have expansive area. Ton of storage. Your batteries are nice and tucked away with an included battery switch. And this just makes it really easy because all your battery, all your electricals are in one area of the boat. I want you to notice all these compartments are self-bailing, so it keeps all the moisture, all the residual water from getting into your stuff. Now, if we take a look at the helm here, you can tell that this Grand Mariner has a super rich look to it. Not only are the seats really nice, has a very nice textured vinyl on it, but we have one of the best looking helms in the industry. So if you look here, we have a SIMRAD Go5 chart plotter. Now, what this does is that you can use it as a chart plotter, you can use it as GPS, or to monitor your engine's functions. This thing can do it all. It can also be a fish finder. Anything you throw at it, it can take. Now, this JL Audio head unit we have here, this is the premium experience. This is the biggest pack of punch that you can get in a head unit on these Harris pontoons. And it's very user-friendly, very easy to use, and it is matched up with 2 JL Audio speakers back here, included with a sub in this compartment. Then we have two more speakers hidden behind this grill here to provide any kind of audio for anybody that's behind the boat skiing or when you're just kind of hanging out at the sandbar. Now, as you come through the cabin here, you'll notice you start getting more speakers off right next to your captain's chair and right here on the port side for all the passengers. And then you have two more additional speakers up here in the bow seats. So as you can see, you can get audio from anywhere you're sitting on this boat. No matter what's going on, how much noise is going on, you're always going to be able to hear your music, and that's super important. Now, back to what's on this helm. What I really like about this, it's got all these aviation style toggle switches. They're very easy to see whenever your accessory is engaged, and you have the ability to light up the whole dash. So it makes viewing at night really, really easy. Going on to the drivetrain of this boat. So we have a 300 horsepower Mercury power in it, but then we also have it matched up with a digital throttle. This just makes docking, it makes driving the boat just a whole experience. It's just a really premium time, and it's going to be the best experience you have on the water because you're never going to feel shifting, and it's going to stay nice and quiet how we'd like it. Now, I want you to notice this vessel in particular has what we call an entertainment center. Now, this is kind of your bar area, your meal prep, where you have a bar that's going to keep everything enclosed here. It's not going to fall off the boat. And then you also have drainable compartments here, where if you want to put ice in here and put drinks in there, you know, the sky is the limit. Then you also have your storage underneath here. This is a fiberglass enclosure, extremely tough and spacious. And what I love about this, it has a table that folds out right here. So if you ever need to free up some room, you can either drop it to open the door, or you can pull it up to extend the entertainment center. Let's go ahead and start walking towards the bow. Now, what I really like about this vessel, it has a ski locker. Now, this just adds a whole lot more storage to the boat as it puts storage in that center tune. There is also a bilge pump built into the back of that tune to pull out any residual water that may get in there from any water toys or wakeboards or anything of that nature. So, talking about the doors on this vessel, you got 4 accesses to get on the boat. Here off to the port side, we have a full-size door. This makes boarding on and off the vessel just very simple, very easy. And you also have a door on your starboard side. Now, this is something very unique when it comes to the 250 Grand Mariner. It adds that little door in case your dock cannot accommodate that side. Now, as we walk towards the bow, you'll notice that we have another door off the front here. And this just makes it really easy if you have a dock that has a front platform, and that's the easiest way to board the boat. It's right here, very easy to get in and off of. And you notice it shuts in place very good, and it is a very, very sturdy door that can hold about 800 pounds off of it. All right, now let's start stepping further into the bow here. I want to kind of show you the richness of these seats and how much they can offer. You see here we have a armrest that folds down with a stainless steel cup holder in it. And this is just a really nice feature. It's going to provide a ton of longevity having that stainless steel. And also, I want you guys to notice how thick these seat cushions are. When I sit down on it, it doesn't collapse. It's very firm, yet really soft. So this just provides a ton of longevity for the seats. And that's something that is awesome about Harris. Now, again, you have storage all in the bow area here underneath both lounger seats. Storage is key on a boat whenever you got people on here. About 13 people on this boat can fit, so it's nice to have that ability to store a lot of stuff. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a vessel you'd like to hear more information about, please contact us. Thank you guys for watching.